In order to manage stress, it is necessary to keep in mind a very crucial information. The human nervous system has the sympathetic and parasympathetic system. The sympathetic system is automatically activated. It is a system we inherited from our ancestors. A very common example is when you encounter with a lion, you run away. In order to do this, the human body excretes stress hormone, and this whole process happens spontaneously. Nobody says to themselves, "Let's release stress hormone now." The system works when necessary and automatically. But in the modern world, this process may happen in unnecessary moments. This is one of the biggest dilemmas that modern man has. When our child cries, or when we are waiting for the green light, or when our boss calls for a meeting, or when we delay our credit card debit, or when there is an obstacle in between our spot and where we want to reach, we excrete the stress hormone. This system is so developed that if a harmful bacteria passes through the tip of our nose, the system detects it and signals a danger. That signal releases the stress hormone. Our ancestors' advantage over us was that they would either run or fight when they got the signal. Yet we are stuck in the car or in the office or in a meeting room. We cannot run or fight. That is how the stress hormone is loaded and loaded and loaded, and emotion management becomes very difficult. So, what is the other side of the coin? Parasympathetic system. The parasympathetic system works not automatically but manually. That means we trigger it. What does it do? It balances the stress hormone and reduces the hormone if necessary. Think of it this way: the sympathetic system is activated automatically, but parasympathetic system has a button to be activated. We have to press that button. So, what is the button for the system? Breathing techniques, meditation techniques in which we remain silent and find inner serenity, or cognitive therapy techniques which we can use in daily life, or the spiritual NLP techniques I will share with you later in the second class. So, what can classical NLP techniques offer us about stress management? Maybe you will remember I demonstrated the anchor killing technique in previous lessons. I showed how the anchor was collapsed. Now in this video we will make a more simple anchor application. Let's study to be calm, for example. First step is remembering a moment when you were calm, or by repeating the word calm, 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 we will put ourselves into a calm mode. Second step is when you really feel calm, you will pinch or press on a spot on your hand or arm. But you should be careful, you have to be at the peak of the feeling before you pinch or press on a spot on your hand or arm. So, we created an anchor of calmness. It would be much better if the spot we choose is a scar, because let's not be surprised next time we want to use the anchor. How can we keep this anchor alive? Pinch your anchor every time you are calm, and when you want to calm down in stressful moments, touch your anchor. That will fire the anchor and calmness.